wallets are a place where our cryptocurrencies are kept. So there are two types of wallet: hot wallet and cold wallet. Hot wallet are nothing but which are directly connected to the internet and which can be used on day-to-day life. For example, hot wallet is this as MetaMask, which I can directly access using my browser and make a transaction. This is not secure, but it is handy. It can be used anytime I want, and this has high risk of being hacked. So if there are huge amount of cryptocurrencies and there is huge investment, it is suggested to not to keep in the hot wallet. For that, there is cold wallet, which are in the physical format and where you buy your cryptocurrency and transfer to the cold wallet and keep them safe. In that case, any hacker who tries to penetrate into your wallet has to get access of this physically along with the password of these physical wallets, which are also termed as cold wallet. In case of hot wallet, it is an extension or it is an app on your phone which can be easily hacked.